We're home.
Oh, you just want a hand, do you?
Nah.
Oh, yeah, it's kind of full. I'm sorry, man.
Nah, just keep playing with cock, eh?
I'm good at that.
Alright. Basically, we're lost, scared, stranded. Pretty much just fucked up, you know, like. What else you want to hear? Ah, that's gonna be tomorrow. We're on the way.
We're never going to make it home.
And this is the last I heard of the three young men. Oh.
Okay. You know where you're going?
Nah, fuck that.
Arus.
Please stop it.
Oh, you God.
I want you.
Red Riding Hood.
Fresh cunt. Fresh cunt.
Here, cunt.
Meat cunt. Me cunt. Hot cunt.
Meat's in there, you fuckhead.
Meat cunt.
Oh. Tastes good. I'm on my way.
Yeah, motorbike. Moto. Oh, we're getting photos of the flowers, are we? Look at that, eh? Who wins? Bro, look at that.
We all win. We all win. Wet. No hands. That's right.
I reckon about that, eh? Can't know.
That's the goal. That's the goal. Let's get this set up.
Old Wesley. Wesley's coming in fucking hot, babe.
Look at that. Look at that, eh? Oh, yeah. So I guess, like, if anything, we're probably making more of a castle. And unless with you're working with your co-workers, but you're still wearing the mask under like a deep fryer. We're working in the kitchen. You've got the former from. Oh, what are you showing? Just the tips of the carrot. Oh, hey. What's going on? Not very good, mate. Yeah.
Nah, you're right. You cut your fucking wrist open. Chill.
Just wish they cut like those trees down so I could get the view.
Place as well, beautiful country, beautiful girls.
It, man. But I think Cambodia is probably going to be my next top. Somewhere like.
And we just, that's stupid.
You got some oil or butter in there, or you want some butter?
I believe we got a little bit of oil in the bottom, but
I did spray it.
Butter would taste nice.
yeah, if you got
Yeah, you
some
got a clump of butter. Chuck it in for the boys.
Yeah, you got it alright. Drink all that
I just find it cooks better and absorbs
Oh, dude, it's a
better than
sweetness.
yeah.
Man, especially in Asian cooking, I learned recently, butter is a motherfucking, they love it. They got mad booze stuff guys in there.
Straight in, eh?
Yeah, dude.
Yeah, he chops it up good too, because I was like, oh, they're making stew to go on camping.
On your bed.
I'll be covering that for you tonight, mate.
No, you won't. I'll be fucking covering up you, right?
Get her in there, Bolt.
Oh yeah, that's the stock. Yeah. Like the stock and shit.
2 channels, but it's a digital thing, so you have all your songs set up
Like
and
DJ.
Yeah,
that was fucking dumb.
Yeah. What are you
I
doing?
had my kids watching it and I couldn't like stop them because I'd already exposed them on fucking, you know. But it was fucking dark at times.
it was real hectic, bro. I remember out there with the fucking
Dinner's up, cunts. Get your fucking munch on. No, how is she, mate?
Pretty good.
Give me a fucking live review right here.
Bro. Great, cunt.
Yeah, boy.
Bit of steak in the bum, bro.
We on. Right, I'm digging in. Oh.
Oh, see, if I did that at home, I'd have my partner go, don't piss on the grass.
Stapling 3 times.
Fucking hell.
Maybe the underlay strap might have ripped. That's about it.
That's the underlay.
What's he doing?
Yeah, he's
I don't think he hopped in. I think that was his
Yeah, he's
problem. I
put
think
in.
he just fucked up.
It's just under.
Oh.
No, you just need a little bit of rope.
Retie.
Bloody morning, man.
the fucking rain. The rain.
Lucky you had your fucking. No, it's fine. What's going, mate? I'd fucking. Fucking hell, this shit looks like a side, all this honey and shit there. Looks a bit interesting, but okay. Holidays.
Yeah. That we are human and we have our rights. Stand fine, something that I've done as well, but there's not enough evidence. But you know, at the same time.
Hey.
Tell me a story.
There's one time he What's the story?
Little Green Riding Hood. See Treasure Island.
And was a brilliant.